Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Suleiman Educational Channel. In this video, we will be talking about logic gates. We will discuss what a logic gate is, the different types of logic gate, the truth table for NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. First, we will discuss about logic gate. Logic gate is a device that works on binary input and gives binary output. Remember, binary means 0 and 1. So a logic gate takes 0 and 1 as input to produce either 0 or 1 as output, depending on the types of logic gate. Now, let us discuss about the types of logic gate along with their symbol. There are 6 types of logic gates. The first type is the NOT gate and is represented by this symbol. The second type is the AND gate and is represented by this symbol. The third type is the OR gate and is represented by this symbol. The fourth type is the NAND gate and is represented by this symbol. The fifth type is the NOR gate and is represented by this symbol. The sixth type is the XOR gate and is represented by this symbol. Keep in mind that XOR gate is also called exclusive OR gate. Now, after discussing the types of logic gate, we will discuss what a truth table is. The purpose of using truth table is to trace what will be the output if a certain input is given. Truth table is designed for logic gates and logic circuits. A logic circuit is a combination of 2 or more logic gates. Keep in mind that NOT gate is the only logic gate that takes 1 input, whereas the other 5 gates takes 2 input. Now, we will discuss how a truth table is constructed. When constructing a truth table, keep in mind to consider all possible combinations of 1s and 0s which can be provided as input. NOT gate is the only logic gate that has 1 input. Therefore, 2 power 1 that is equal to 2 possible binary combinations. Therefore, NOT gate has 2 possible combinations that is either 1 or 0 as input, as you can see in the table. A is the input whereas X is the output. The first combination is A equal to 0 and the second combination is A equal to 1. All the other logic gates takes 2 input. Therefore, 2 power 2 that is equal to 4 possible combinations. As you can see in the table, A and B are input whereas X is the output. The first combination is A is 0 and B is 0. Then the second combination is A is equals to 0, B is equal to 1. The third combination is A equals to 1 and B equal to 0. The fourth combination is A equals to 1 and B equals to 1. Now we will discuss about NOT gate. In NOT gate, there is one input A and one output X. In NOT gate, if the input is 1, then the output will be 0. If input is 0, then the output will be 1. We write NOT gate as X equal to NOT A, where X is the output and A is the input. We can remember this with the shortcut key as invert. If the value of input A is 0, then the output value of X will be 1. If the value of input A is 1, then the output value of X will be 0. In easy words, we can say that the output will be the invert of input. If input is 0, then output will be 1. If input is 1, then output will be 0. Now we will discuss about AND gate. In AND gate, there are two inputs A and B and X is the output. The output value of X is 1 if both A and B is 1. If it is not, then the output will be 0. We generally write this as X equals to A and B. The easy way to remember is multiply. If A is equal to 0, B is 0, then X will be 0 because 0 into 0 equal to 0. If A equal to 0 and B is 1, then again X will be 0 because 0 into 1 equal to 0. If A equals to 1 and B is 0, then again X will be 0. That is 1 into 0 is equal to 0. If A equals to 1 and B is 1, then X will also be 1 because 1 into 1 equals to 1. In short, multiplication of A and B is a shortcut key for AND gate. We can see that from the table that the output is 1 when both A and B is 1. If either A or B is 0, then the output will be 0 because 0 multiplied with any number is 0. Now we will discuss about OR gate. In OR gate, there are two inputs A and B and one output X. The output value of X is 1 when either input A or input B is 1. We generally write this as X equal to A or B. The shortcut to remember is add. If A equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then the output X will be 0 because 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If A equal to 0 and B is equals to 1, then the output value will be 1 because 0 plus 1 equal to 1. If A equals to 1 and B equal to 0, then the output X will be 1 because 1 plus 0 equal to 1. If A equals to 1 and B equal to 1, then the output X will be 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 in normal addition, but over here we are considering it to be 1 because we are talking about binary value which is 0 and 1. This is the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then do so by clicking the button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos uploaded on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share our videos. You can also follow us on our Facebook page. The link is given in the comment section. We will meet again soon with a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.